In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to create structured, professional meeting agendas for your team. I start by pasting a comprehensive prompt that sets up ChatGPT as a dedicated meeting assistant. The AI responds by establishing a solid framework that focuses on clear objectives and decision-making, ensuring every meeting has a defined purpose. Next, I ask for a specific agenda for a weekly team meeting at a digital marketing agency. The result is a highly organized plan that includes realistic time blocks for performance reviews and resource allocation. This structure helps keep the team aligned on weekly goals while ensuring everyone knows their specific tasks. Now, I request a client-facing agenda for a monthly performance review with an e-commerce brand. ChatGPT produces a professional outline that prioritizes key performance metrics and future strategy. It includes dedicated sections for client feedback and a summary of next steps to keep the project moving forward. Finally, I have the AI generate a reusable template with placeholders and a table format for any professional meeting. This output provides a versatile tool for tracking time blocks and agenda owners, complete with a section for notes and a parking lot for off-topic items. It's a perfect way to keep your meetings focused and efficient every single time. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.